Magandang araw. This is an employee benefits orientation dun sa mga may health link plan holders. I'm doing this orientation para dun sa mga health link plan holders na hindi naka-attend or gustong mag-refresh ng benefits of their plan. But just to give you a heads up, this is a general orientation, okay? Some of the benefits may not be applicable sa inyo. So you have to check with your HR or with your company, no? Kung ano ba yung mga benefits na applicable sa inyo. Okay, so dito sa presentation natin, we have the definition of terms, we have the utilization, the current benefits, and yung service availment process. Definition of terms. So ano ba yung annual benefit limit? Ito yung maximum limit for inpatient benefit for the whole policy period. Okay, yung coverage once again, depende no, dun sa option na kinuha ni company. We also have the inner limits. Ito yung maximum coverable amount per benefit under inpatient and outpatient services. Any one disability, yung mga disability nag-arise from the same cause. Okay, intervening period, ito naman yung waiting period, no? Subsequent disability following dun sa latest discharge from the hospital. So ang ating intervening period ay 30 days. So let's give an example. Paano ba nag-work itong tinatawag na any one disability at yung intervening period? Okay. So halimbawa si member na confined, first confinement, umabot ng 5 days. Okay. Kung ano man yung illness niya, for example, amoebiasis. After 5 days, siya ay na-discharge. But then after 10 days, na-confine ulit siya with the same illness. So, that will be considered as one disability, meaning subject siya sa one set of inner limits ng benefit. Okay. Then after that, after 40 days, na-confine ulit si member. Either yung sickness or yung symptom is from the same illness or bago ng illness. Since lumagpas na siya sa tinatawag na 30 days no, na intervening period, mare-refresh yung kanyang inner limits. Okay? Sa utilization, we have the cashless access tsaka reimbursement. Cashless access, syempre si member, pupunta siya dun sa mga accredited clinic and doctors, which we are using the Medilink network. Ngayon, kung wala doon, kung for example, for emergency cases, napunta siya sa non-accredited, then that will be for reimbursement. Okay? Important lang, no, members to identify yung kanilang membership, no, kapag tinatanong sila sa hospital kung ano yung kanilang HMO, sabihin po nila ay Medilink. Okay? Current benefits, i-discuss natin tong general benefits ng plan. Okay, so once again, you can check with your HR or your company kung ano yung applicable po sa inyo. So first, we have the basic medical or inpatient benefits. By the way, itong basic medical or inpatient benefits, lahat po nito ng may health link plan ay may ganitong benefits. So we have the room and board. So that means binabayaran natin yung room and board. Siyempre kapag naka-confine, meaning nag-avail ka ng room. Surgical benefit. Other hospital services, ito yung mga services na ginawa during confinement like laboratories, x-ray, yung mga medicines na administer. Ayan. Doctor's call, binabayaran din natin yung professional fee ng attending physician. Emergency cases. Please take note po no, dito sa emergency cases. Makikita natin dito na kapag may emergency case, shoulder lang is yung amount ng other hospital services. Okay? Hindi po yung annual benefit limit. Only the other hospital services. So, depende dun sa plan nyo, makikita nyo later kung magkano yung mga hospital services. Okay, kung kailangan ng surgery, and then sa surgical benefit, and then syempre kung nag-lead na sa confinement, then sa entire basic medical. And then, all health link plan holders has the group life insurance. So meron silang yearly renewable term life insurance, ADD&D at yung TPD. Okay? Outpatient benefits, dito naman, kino-cover yung mga consultation, treatments within the doctor's clinic, diagnostics, x-rays, and laboratory tests. Now, please check with your HR no, or your company if you have the outpatient benefits because this is already an optional benefit. So, hindi po lahat no, ng health link plan holder ay may outpatient benefits. Dental benefits, kung meron po din kayo nito, these are the procedures covered. Please be reminded lang po no, na it can only be availed through MaxiCare Dental Hub. Huwag po tayong ma-confuse. May mga MaxiCare clinic po. So, hindi po pwede doon. Doon lamang po sa listahan natin. Okay? So, you can check with your HR the list of the MaxiCare Dental Hub. So, these are the schedule of benefits. So, these benefits are mandatory. So, lahat po ng plan holders will have the inpatient benefits. So, as you can see here, 5 yung plan option. Tapos may mga amount or figures, no? Ito lang yung maximum amount na binabayaran natin per disability or yung tinatawag na per confinement. So as you can see here sa room and board, may 500, kung plan 500, kung plan 1,000, 1,000. So ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng example sa susunod na slide. We'll be taking this only, itong plan 500. Okay? Ito lang yung gagawin nating example. So as we can see here, ito yung inner limits. Ito yung hospital charges. Ito yung na-cover ng plan. Ito yung excess na binayaran ni member. Kung excess na dun syempre sa inner limit. And kung walang HMOC member, just to show you, no? Ngayon, we're talking about the plan 500. Okay? Si member na hospital ng 5 days, 700 yung room and board na nakuha niya. So ang hospital bill niya for the room and board is 3,500. Ang i-cover lang nung plan, since we're talking about the plan 500, is 500 per day. Okay? Times 5 days, that's 2,500. Yung excess, babayaran na ni member. Syempre kung walang HMO si member, di ba siya lahat yung mag-shoulder. Yung idea for the hospital services, this is per confinement. Once again, no, up to 10,000. Surgery, up to 15. Doctor's call 500 per day. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa example, yung hospital bill niya 29, yung na-cover ng plan is 25,000. Yung 25,000, ibabawas ngayon yon sa annual benefit limit ng plan na na-avail nyo. Okay, so that means may magagamit pang 125,000 si member until the end of the policy year. Okay, please note always no, na hindi magagamit sa isang confinement ang ABL. Ito ay may tinatawag na inner limits. Okay? And then we have the group insurance. So we have the group life, we have the ADD&D, at saka yung TPD. Okay? So yan yung mga amount payable if ever, kung ano man yung mangyari kay member. Reminder lang sa mga emergency, no? Only up to hospital services can be covered per ER case at hindi po as per annual benefit limit. So halimbawa, na ER, no? O dito, halimbawa, 125 na lang yung natira sa kanya. Na ER naman siya after a month. That means, up to 10,000 lang po, no? Yung mako-cover sa ER. So, yung 10,000 ngayon na na-cover doon, ibabawas ulit doon sa kanyang ABL. So, meaning, meron na lang siyang 115,000. Okay? So, please be reminded, for emergency, only up to hospital services can be covered per ER case and not as per the annual benefit limit. Outpatient benefits, these are optional benefits. So check again no, with your HR if you have coverage for outpatient benefits. So hindi po lahat ng health link plan holder ay may outpatient benefits. So as you can see here po, meron tayong mga inner limits din na tinatawag. Dito sa example natin, ang kinuha lang natin is itong plan 500 na example. Okay? Si member, nagpa-check up siya sa non-accredited doctor. Okay? Yung professional fee ng doctor or yung consultation fee ng doctor is 700. Since we're talking about the plan 500 at ang kino-cover niya lang is 300, 300 lang yung i-reimburse natin. Ngayon, kung ayaw magbayad ni member ng excess, no? Maghanap po tayo ng Medilink clinic at doctor. Reminder lang po, dapat yung clinic ay accredited, yung doctor ay accredited. Kasi meron pong mga doctor na nagki-clinic sa isang hospital or nagdi-duty sa isang hospital, hindi naman sila accredited ni Medilink. So make sure accredited yung clinic, accredited yung doctor. Kapag ganon, wala na pong babayaran na excess si member. Okay? Same yung idea sa treatment in clinic. Ngayon, dito sa diagnostics, x-rays, and lab, may up to 6,000 in a year, di ba? Yung plan 500. So si member, nagpa-laboratory, nag-amount sa 2,000, kinover yung buong 2,000, then may remaining limit na lang si member na 4,000. Okay, once again, these outpatient benefits po are optional. So you have to check with your HR kung meron po kayo nito. Okay, sa service availment process, i-discuss ko lang po to briefly. You can read it through na lang po para mas maintindihan natin. So we have the non-emergency confinement or emergency confinement. So same naman din yung procedure, basta reminder lang dito, no? Laging i-verify muna ng hospital yung inyong eligibility. Okay? Hospital discharge, these are the procedures po. You can read it through na lang. We have the basic consultation for the outpatient and specialist consultation for the outpatient. Once again, yung consultation is kung meron po kayong outpatient benefits. Kapag mag-request po tayo ng LOA, no, make sure you have this 3 in mind para tayo ay, or you have this 3 things ready para mabilis po tayong makapag-request. Service availment for laboratory, ayan po yung ating mga procedure. Ito din po yung laboratory services for the outpatient. No? Kapag same day yung laboratory, mag-i-issue na ng LOA. Kung scheduled naman from a different date, we can request po. Okay, ahead of time. Annual physical exam, this is only no, kung meron po kayong annual physical exam. So make sure na i-coordinate po natin to sa HR kung gusto po nating magpa-APE. Okay? Dental procedure, once again, hindi lahat ay may dental. So, dun lang po sa may mga dental benefits. Meron po tayong by appointment tsaka walk-in. But we highly recommend po yung appointment. Kasi hindi po natin masasabi, no? Ang yung clinic kasi, nasa sa kanila kung ilang pasyente, no? Yung kaya nilang i-accommodate in a day. And may mga walk-ins din naman po sila. Reimbursement, ito po yung ating process for reimbursement, no? So, make sure lang po na ma-file natin within 90 days, no? From the date the expense was incurred. Otherwise po, hindi na natin siya mapafile or ma-reimburse. Ito po yung mga documents at saka yung mga forms na kailangan po for reimbursement. You can coordinate na lang po sa inyong HR department. Okay. Ito po ang ating 24/7 na help desk team. We have the trunk line, we have mobiles naman po, and we have email, and their email is also being monitored 24/7. Okay, I'm here po as your agent, kaya lang, syempre, hindi naman po kasi ako 24/7. That's why we encourage everyone na kapag emergency, no, please contact Medilink. Okay, you can even request po to give you a call. So make sure lang na you follow this format, and then yung sa email body niyo po, make sure that you put your contact number, no, para matawagan po kayo. Okay? Especially kapag emergency and you want to add your concerns to be addressed immediately, please call Medilink help desk team. Okay, so that would be all. And if you're exploring other group plans of AIA, meron din po tayong group accident insurance, meron din po tayong group life insurance. Ito po ay nagko-cover ng critical illness, no, for the employees. Kung may kakilala po kayo na nag-work sa barangay, meron din po tayong protection para sa mga barangay officials. Kung may kakilala din po kayo na may school, no, we also have this kids protection. We also have this best-selling personal life insurance plan po ni AIA Philippines. We have this critical illness protection. Ito po yung ating best seller kasi we'll never know talaga kung kailan tayo madadiagnose, no, ng critical illness. We also have this retirement plan, or you can start your retirement fund as early as now. We also have this term insurance. Ang term insurance po usually yan yung kinukuha ng mga breadwinners na hindi pa kaya o hindi pa makapag-afford kumuha ng mga whole life insurance katulad po nitong dalawa. Okay? I'm also with Una Insurance po, no? If your company or kayo po mismo individually are looking for non-life insurance, for example, sa home, yung bahay nyo, gusto nyo ipa-insure, yung mga sasakyan nyo po, or if you're a traveler, no? Gusto nyo pong makapag-avail ng travel insurance, ayan po yung aking contact number. Feel free to contact me po. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.